Now that the government has decided to financially support the needy students who want to take admission in professional colleges, education and professional institutions should become trouble-free to go on students, especially to those who want to take admissions in IIT and BITS Pilani, etc.
आमच्या सोबीत माणकुल्या राज्यात समेस्तांच्या आधारान प्रतिकात्मक रूप from darkness.
As Digambar Kamath has successfully completed 3 years as Chief Minister of the state, he has said that Goa government was working on a scheme for students who were interested in studying at professional institutions. This year, more than 10 students from Goa passed the entrance examination of the Indian Institute of Technology.
हो आकडो हळूहळू वाढपाक लागतो, पण त्याच बरोबर आणि एक लक्षात येवपाक लागले की फाल्यां IIT पास जावन IIT एंट्रन्स पास जावन मुखार गेल्लो भुरगो खंय तरी पैशाक लागून ताच्या मुखार अडचण उत्पन्न जावपाक शकता, आणि म्हणून सरकाराक दिसता की अशा भुरग्यांक सरकारान मदत करपाक जाय, ताचे फाटल्यान उबो रावपाक जाय. खंय तरी इतलो त्रास काडून आवय बापूय भुरग्याक शिकयता, तो भुरगोय मुखार वचपाक सोदता आणि खंय तरी आवय बापाय कडेन पैसे ना, म्हणून तो भुरगो मागीर मुखार कमी पडपाक शकना. म्हणून सरकारान अशें ठरयलां की एज्युकेशन इन प्रोफेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स लायक IIT, MTech, IIM आणि BITS Pilani अशा संस्थेनी जे भुरगे वतले हांकां सरकार सपोर्ट करतलो फायनान्शियली.
Fees will be paid by the Social Welfare Department up to 1 lakh rupees maximum. Maintenance allowances including hostel fees, mess fees at the rate of 4,000 per month. One-time assistance of up to 75,000 rupees to purchase a laptop and stationery, and 15,000 rupees per annum towards purchase of books, stationery and other equipment, the Chief Minister has informed.
आमची फक्त 2 कंडिशनां आसतली. एक, student should be born in Goa and domicile for 15 years with family income maximum 4.5 lakhs. म्हणजे ह्या सेक्शनाक सरकार पूर्णपणे ह्या हांकां तेंको दितलो, कारण सरकाराक दिसता की आज गोंयची भुरगीं परफॉर्म करपाक लागल्या आणि तातूंत मोठ्या सरकाराच्यो फॅसिलिटीचो फायदो घेवन ग्रामीण भागातली भुरग्यांय कम्पीट करून वयर येवपाक लागल्या. खंय तरी इतले आपणे मजल मारली आणि आज आपल्या कडेन थंय परिस्थिती ना, असो प्रसंग गोंय राज्यांतल्या खंयच्याय गरीब भुरग्याचेर येवचो न्ही. ही स्कीम लॉन्च करपा फाटल्यान हो सरकाराचो एक बरो हेतू आसा. दुसरी गजाल,
The Chief Minister was speaking on the occasion of a release of a book titled Golden Glow, which is about the achievements of the Goa government for the past 1 year. The book was released in the presence of Home Minister Ravi Naik, Revenue Minister Jose Felipe D'Souza, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Prayol MLA Deepak Davlikar, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava, Information Secretary Narendra Kumar, Director of Information Menino Pires, and Advisor to the Information and Publicity Department Vishnu Wagh.